Assistant Chief of Police in Dalton says he regrets the situation that led to the arrest and detainment of a college student in the country without legal permission.
That student remains in ICE custody tonight. This comes after the department confirmed officers pulled over the wrong vehicle earlier this month. It's a composite picture right here we put together to illustrate the law enforcement's version of events. Police say the Ford truck in the lower half of the picture made an illegal right turn on Thornton Avenue. An officer then followed a line of cars in an effort to make a traffic stop.
The department reports the officer drove past the Ford and instead pulled over a Dodge, which you can see in the upper half of this picture. Ximena Arias-Cristobal was behind the wheel of that truck.
After reviewing the dash cam video of the traffic stop, it was determined that Ms. Arias-Cristobal's vehicle was very similar in appearance to the offender vehicle that actually made the improper right turn.
Meantime, Chief Crossan says the department has no control over Arias-Cristobal's ICE status.
Ray Collado was in Dalton tonight. He joins us now with more on the department's reaction. Ray.
Josh, Kim, in this new body cam video, you could see the moments when Ximena Arias-Cristobal learned she was about to go to jail for a traffic violation she did not commit. However, despite pulling over the wrong person, Assistant Chief Chris Crossan says the officer was just trying to do his job.
So in the state of Georgia, when you drive without a license, you know what happens?
No, sir.
Have you ever been to jail?
No, sir.
Oh, you're going.
I cannot go to jail. I have my finals next weekend. My family really depends on this.
You shouldn't be driving.
I know, but
You'll get released.
my family doesn't have the money to release me.
Dalton police dropped the traffic charges against Ximena Arias-Cristobal after dashcam video shows an officer pulled over the wrong truck in the wake of a traffic violation. They say the driver of this Dodge truck was the one who broke the law, not Arias-Cristobal.
Very regrettable place that we are right here, that we've ended up in this place with the way this unfolded and the way it turned out, and that's kind of where we are. The video from perfect hindsight 20/20 view of a camera, and we can certainly see that the vehicle was a different one in that line of traffic.
However, now that Arias-Cristobal is in ICE custody, police say the situation is out of their hands.
We have no part in the other proceedings. I'm sure her attorneys now with this information will make sure that is brought forward on her behalf.
Some people at the press conference asked if the police department would issue a formal apology to the family.
But there's really not been a sense of an apology at all to Ximena or her family. Like, would you be prepared to apologize on behalf of the police department?
Keep using that same word. I mean, it's a regrettable situation and a regrettable place that we've ended up in. Officer was trying to do his job.
A GoFundMe campaign has raised more than $77,000 for Arias-Cristobal's defense fund. Her attorneys say the teen's bond hearing is scheduled for May 20th. Josh?
Ray, thank you. Assistant Chief Crossan also responded to a question about the department's interactions in general with Dalton's minority residents.
You don't think this kind of action will affect the relation with the Hispanic community? Because some people believe this is racial profiling against them.
I understand. People certainly can believe a lot of different things. There's a video, and you can certainly, from that officer's perspective, you can make your own conclusions about different things. And certainly we have that internal review process so that we can look at all those different things to make sure that we do with the things that we're supposed to be doing.
You can watch that full press conference on our website right now, newschannel9.com.